Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over browser PDF generation versus server PDF generation. If we jump into an application that was built on the Inhouz Cloud platform by a client of ours, we can see an invoice. When we click on the Generate PDF button, just give it 1 second, a PDF document is generated. This generation is happening because in our app builder, we have connected our Generate PDF button to a function called print function. This is running a function called generate browser PDF. Internally, this is running the JS PDF to HTML to Canvas NPM library. It pretty much takes a snapshot of your HTML file and then converts that to a PDF document. And we do give all the configurations allowed by this library. Now, generating PDF documents on the browser has its limitations because, of course, one has to click on the Generate PDF button. But what if you wanted to programmatically or remotely generate a PDF documents? For this, if I can slide another tab in, we have the PDF generator module. So the PDF generator module lets you configure templates and then allows you to programmatically or configure those templates with data, programmatically generates PDF documents with a function step called generate server PDF. So on this platform, you can generate PDF documents programmatically using the PDF generator module or the PDF generator product, or you can generate PDF documents using the browser function. Now, one thing to note is that PDF documents generated on the browser are always free because on this platform, we never charge for your browser compute. All right, so that's it for generating PDFs on the server versus generating PDFs on the browser. They're very similar. They're all happening as function steps. And of course, one is remote while the other one is running on your browser. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.